when Microsoft moved to .NET Core, they left WCF behind. Now, the community has brought WCF into .NET Core. See how in this 10-minute training video. Now, for most of my training, I work to give you an in-depth perspective on a technology. But sometimes you just need to get the quick answer to the question, how do I use this? That's why I created the 10-minute training series. So let's dive right into Core WCF. Now, I do want to take a pause for a minute here. This is the Core WCF page. But before we dive into this, I do want to mention one thing. And that is, this really isn't designed for new projects. So if you're thinking, man, I can learn a new framework, a new way of communicating on the web, that's not this. The Core WCF project is designed to help existing customers who are using existing versions of the .NET framework version of WCF to move into .NET Core and get the benefits of .NET Core. It is not meant for people just starting out. If you want to start out, you're probably better off looking at gRPC. I do have a video on gRPC introducing it and telling you what it is and how to use it. But this is for people who are currently on WCF in .NET Framework and want to move to .NET Core. So this project right here is the .NET Core version of the Windows Communication Foundation. This is a web-based communication system that Microsoft kind of tried to replace with gRPC, but they didn't do everything they needed to do. So a lot of people are stuck on .NET Framework. And the goal is to enable existing WCF services to move to .NET Core. So if you haven't seen this yet, I'll put the link down in the description. If you need it, this is a great place to start. Not only do you have step-by-step walkthroughs on how to create a service and reference from client projects, but you also even have new templates you can install into Visual Studio to create new Core WCF projects. Now, I just said that this is not for new projects, it's more for existing projects to upgrade. So why would you ever need to have those new templates? Well, because one of the strategies for upgrading to the .NET Core version of WCF is to create a new template and then move the code over. So if you want to do that, there are the new templates for creating a new version of your existing service. So this right here is actually in version 1.1. Version 1.0 came out back in April. This came out about a week ago at the end of June. So this is the Core WCF version. This is really only for people who need the Core upgrade. But if you do, this is a really great day. It is starting to become stable. It is supported by Microsoft, just so you know. So this is a Microsoft-supported community tool. But this is something that will help you move into the modern .NET Core. So that's all. I just want to show you how this works and what it is, and make sure you're aware that it exists. The link is down in the description if you want to go and learn more about it and start using it if you have an existing project. All right, that's it. So let me know down in the comments if you have other things that you have questions on about this project or about other projects. If you have other suggestions for things you want to see me cover, and make sure that I get more information out there about what it is and how it works, then go to suggestions.IAmTimCorey.com and leave that suggestion. Hopefully, you'll see it in a future 10-minute training video.